Hello friends, my today's video is about the online examination, a program which is written in PHP, which is a server-side scripting language which is used to create dynamic web pages. JavaScript is also used, which is a server client-side scripting language. Postgres database is used, which is a relational database. HTML is used, which is used as a front-end tool, which is used to create web page. Now I will tell in brief about online examination. In traditional learning, we were sitting in the classroom and attending the lectures. This technique is followed many years. We are now entering to new era, the revolution of online education. Why it is important? Because it is flexible, it allows for customized learning experience, it is more cost effective than traditional education. Now we will see actually the code of HTML and PHP. HTML tag is used, head tag is used. This code is written for digital clock, title online examination form, script language JavaScript, function check, then str document.getElementById by id str value. If I want to get id value of specific, then I can use getElementById by id. This var is used in JavaScript to declare the variables. These are initialized to 5 variables are initialized to 0. If document.getElementById by id, if the answer I press on radio button it is correct, click on radio button it is correct, then it will get 1 mark. If second answer is correct, it is checked, then it get again 1 mark. Means each question carries 1 mark, and the total overall 5 questions. Then here if the number of answers are correct, that total will be calculated. Document.write, that means get the value on the browser. Window location href online PHP, this is used to pass the value from JavaScript to PHP. Document.cookie str, this is used to pass the single value from JavaScript to PHP, and cookies are used to store the values from the browser, the history. Then this code is for time, digital clock. Then HTML part, get method is used. Get method is used when you want to extract data from the server. Post method is used when you want to send data to the server. Then input type you text name for name. Then this is first question. Then these are the radio buttons, options, number of options. These all are radio buttons. 4 options are there. Second question, again 4 options. So total all there are 5 questions. Then button click check if I want to send the data to the web server. When I click on click me button. Now we will see the PHP code. This is the PG connect, is a connection string which is used to connect to the database PostgreSQL using PHP. str is equal to $cookie global array to get the name of the person who is from the JavaScript to the PHP. Then $c is equal to get the marks of the user, how many answers are correct. Query is used to execute the database query. Then PG query is to execute the query. Then showing the records, select star from online details. Then execute the query again. PG fetch array fetches all rows from the array. Result an array, it stores data in associative indices. Then table tag is closed and PHP delimiters are closed. Here we will actually see the program execution. HTTP is used to connect to the web server. Localhost, because our server and client PHP and database are here only on this laptop. This is online digital clock. Right now it's showing hours, minutes and seconds, and it is PM. So enter the name of the person who is giving exam. PHP is used. First question, I click on this radio button. Second, PHP function to find the length of string. Second question. Then HTTP methods are last option. PHP array types, then this, and closing tag. Okay, now I will click, so I will get the answer, how much marks I got and which person got how many marks. So username Sachin Patil, this is the date and time at which the exam he has given, and total marks out of 5 is 5. Thank you.